Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Michael Kors model, San-Juan MK1047 in color code 101413. Comes in this white Michael Kors case. Inside of the case, we have the frames. We have a manufacturer booklet, Luxottica. A white microfiber cleaning cloth, and it has the Michael Kors writing in silver. And we have a Michael Kors certificate card. Guarantee certificate. The color of this frame is light gold Havana. And the style of the frame is Fashion Pilot. On the temples here, we have a silver detailing with the Michael Kors writing on the temple tip in black. This is the inside of the frame. It has a Michael Kors writing in white over here. The other side of the temple is the same. The lenses are a dark brown gradient color. And in the top left lens, we have Michael Kors writing engraved in the lens. This frame is RXable.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.